So we came here around 15 kilometers from my place. Came here with a 2 kg cylinder LPG, and we are trying to cook. Found some good place, field kind of a thing, and there is a Baragachu, good is Bargat, banyan tree, and yes, given some biscuits for the dog. This is my daughter and wife. Hi. And we came little unprepared, and not unprepared in the sense little jugadu type, without modifying the car. We just got the stuffs in three bags and now trying to cook. Let's see how it goes. But this place is busy, windy. This shade is like respite for us. The rice is being prepared.
We are done with the rice, and now we are gonna make the curry. Hey mama, hey dada, what curry are we making? Sounds tasty. Yeah, it's all vegetarian. Now dad's going to activate the stove. Light the stove, sorry, light. And this is it for the clips. See you in the next one. So update dad's now making a salad. He's already made it. Now he's making rasam, cutting onions. Yeah, style. And mom is making curry. I don't know what she's putting, but the curry looks very colorful. The salad looks colorful too, and dad started the car for no reason. Radio. Yeah, it's very windy here. Very nice scenery, very nice view. Too bad this place is like where drunk people come and drink. But overall this place is very beautiful and a perfect place for cooking. There's a swing here, and there is what looks like some, I don't know what they call it, slide or something. And someone's shoe, a chappal, and lots of grass, and this reed, I forgot the name. And trees and vehicles and electricity things. Some circular tower, I don't remember the name. Dad again started the car. Mom is making curry. There are birds chirping in the distance. That does not look like a crow, but it looks cute. Yeah, nice smell. Careful! Also, the curries are done cooking, and my dad, that as the daredevil he is attempting to make it over to get the papaya. As the daredevil he is. Now I wonder who could have asked him to get the papaya. Totally, I don't know who it is. I don't know who asked her dad to get. You could have. I totally don't know. I totally don't know who asked him to get that papaya. Hey, just a reminder that this is getting recorded. Just a reminder that this is getting recorded. I should put.
This is the second one.
Don't mind if I do.
Done.
Okay, so curry is done. And now I think everything is done. Yeah, we still have to make the papad now. Okay, that's it for this recording. See you in the next clip. So this is our masala papad. We are done making it. Now, Mom, what are you making? What are you making? Oh, sounds tasty. It looks like brown soup. And we have Dad is making masala papad. And I ate some in the previous clip. They're very good. Yeah. This is for Mom. Oh yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, this is our very first video. Not very first. We have a lot more recordings in our in Dad's phone, but this is like our very first attempt at making a YouTube video. Awesome. Yeah. making everything. We have rasam, curry, rice, masala papad. Yeah, we already ate masala papad. Here is our handsome dada.
Hi.
And here is our beautiful Subbu, aka Mama. Chef, also the chef. And I am Tosha. I am the camera woman. We are eating rasam.
Purely veg.
Purely veg.
No life has been taken in doing this video. So we are eco-friendly, animal-friendly.
Yep.
And not even a scrapper.
Yeah, we also have salad. Yeah, I forgot we had salad. Salad. Yeah, I'd appreciate a spoon. And here I am sitting in the driver's seat doing absolutely nothing other than recording and eating.
Salad is for me.
Yep, from our handsome dada's end. Sure.
Okay, so one thing.
Okay. Okay, Dad is getting the stool. Alright, so here is our food. I am sitting on a very uncomfortable rock. Yeah, according to Dad, it's a natural thing, but it's very uncomfortable. It will be sitting on that brick. Dad, at least yours is like straight. Mine is very uneven. Oh. My butt hurts. And Mama is sitting very comfortably on the stool. Yeah, she's the main chef. Okay, now we will eat.